Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, what is the difference between a centipede and a millipede? This is a question that we get a lot because of their habitats. You might find them outside under rocks, in some leaf litter, moving a paving stone, or in some of your mulch. The good news is you don't have to be Charles Darwin to tell the two apart. First, we'll start with millipedes. Millipedes are tubular with 2 sets of legs per segment and little tiny antennas. Centipedes have a flatter body. They've got long, gross-looking legs, like out of a horror movie, 1 set per body segment, long antennas, and they're really fast runners. So to sum it up, one of them doesn't look so scary, and the other one looks like the hardcore biker version of the two. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. First, we'll start with millipedes. Millipedes are tubular with 2 sets. Tubular. Millipedes are tubular, man. Okay,